that we have to go obey and commandments. Continue.
Hear therefore, O Israel, and observe to do it, that it may be well with thee, and that ye may increase mightily, as the Most High of thy fathers have promised thee, in the land that floweth with milk and honey. Hear, O Israel, the Most High our God is one Lord, and thou shalt love the Most High thy God with all thine heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy might. And these words which I command thee this day shall be in thine heart, and thou shalt teach them diligently unto thy children, and shalt talk of them when thou sittest in thine house, and when thou walkest by thy way, and when thou liest down, and when thou risest up. And thou shalt bind them for a sign upon thine hand, and they shall be a frontlets between thine eyes. And thou shalt write them upon the posts of thy house and on thy gates.
How do we get the laws, statutes, commandments in our heart? First of all, we must recognize who we are and who our God is. And when we do that, we must meditate on the laws, statutes, commandments so that they'll be in our heart, before our eyes, and they'll direct our steps. Because if we don't, or we're not mindful of instructions, then we find ourselves moving to the left and to the right of those instructions. A matter of fact, a lot of times we'll begin to add to the instructions. We begin to say things like, well, the Lord knows my heart. He'll forgive me. I'll just do this one time, and I'll ask the Lord to forgive me, and I'll be all right. That's where we err, when we compromise truth. See, compromised truth is what I call religion. Compromised truth is what I call watered down scripture, which is a lie. So we need to come back to the truth of scripture as it is written, because the Most High just said that if we are mindful of these things, that he'll make us to understand it. So we can't understand scripture except we're willing to do what it says do. The scripture is not a good read. We can read it and read it and read it and still not understand what the Most High will have us to do. We have to get some prophet or some teacher or somebody to tell us what to do. But the Most High said that he'll give us the understanding. He gives the understanding to his children in instructions on what to do. So we're talking today about what is your